Hi guys, this is Apurva Daria and I welcome you to my YouTube channel BioKul. This is the first time we are interacting over this digital platform, and this is my first time I'm recording such kind of video. So wish me luck in this new journey. Wish me best thing to happen with me in this new platform in which I am discovering that how much I can connect to the people, to the students who are struggling with biology in the country. So when I am over the digital platform, I will definitely love to connect with the people or the students present in all over the country. So I would love to resolve the problems of the students who are, getting trouble in learning biology. Some part or another part, I know there are a lot of teachers over the YouTube who are resolving your problem, but still हर एक चीज़ सॉल्व नहीं होती है. I'll try to figure out जो प्रॉब्लम वो लोग सॉल्व नहीं कर पा रहे हैं उस प्रॉब्लम को मैं सॉल्व करूं. So this is my first time. Wish me luck and that's it. Thank you.